If you do need to jump start the XKR, you'll need a specific jump starter. On the left wall of the boot or trunk in the X150 is a louvered black panel that opens by pulling the tab, which is on the forward-facing edge of the panel. Once unclipped, the panel can be removed and you'll be able to see in the well behind the boot wall a rubber safety hood protecting the remote red positive terminal. And that remote terminal connects to the battery, which is further inside the boot. This is the procedure. Connect the clamp table to the GooLoo first. Check there's no lights lit on the clamp table. If there are, don't continue. So if the lamps aren't lit, attach the red clamp to the XKR's red terminal under the rubber protector. You'll see attached to the car's metal chassis that there's a bolt that's used as the negative connection. Attach this black clamp to that chassis bolt, and the green light will show on the GooLoo's clamp cable. Now you can start the car.